Hi, welcome to the first SES dance ribbon tutorial. Awesome that you're watching this video. We start with the first dance lesson. Pay attention. 1, 2 and turn. Stop and close, stop and close. And walk. Walk 2, 3, 4 slowly. 5, 6, 7, 8 and step. Turn, step. Turn, spin around, 2, 3, 4, switch, arms and up. Have you paid attention? Okay, now try all the dance steps one after the other. Having a little trouble there? Doesn't matter, just keep practicing. Thanks for watching. And do you have cool moves yourself? Then share it with the hashtag SESDanceRibbons. See you next time!